welcome to my channel. This is your girl Caroline. Today we'll be cooking okra soup. Please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get into the lab. For this process we'll be needing some okra, white pepper, salt and stock, crayfish, bonnet pepper, ginger and onions, an assorted plate of dry meat, dry fish strips and pomo. After prepping and chopping my okra, I'll put it in a bowl and set aside. In a mortar, I'll be crushing my white pepper. In a blender bowl, I'll be adding in my ginger, bonnet pepper, onions and a cup of water. I'll be blending these up together and I'll set this aside for future use. In a pot, I'll be adding in our assorted plates and some water. I'll add in some salt and stock, alongside our magic potion which we blended earlier. I'll cover this and allow it to sit for about 20 minutes. Guys, the aroma coming from this is unbelievable. I'll be adding in my okra at this point in time, and I'll give this a good mix. I'll be coming in with my crushed white pepper and crayfish. Please check out the link above to see how I crushed my crayfish. Our okra soup is ready, guys. You can have this with a variety of fufus. I'm talking about yam fufu, corn fufu, cassava fufu, plantains fufu, wheat and oat fufu. This dish can equally be eaten all by itself. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about this dish. You can have this with a chilled glass of wine and thank me later. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye-bye.